A sliding door looks simple from the outside, but its movement depends on a precise balance of rollers, tracks, guides, and handles. The door panel is usually heavier than it appears. Its weight is carried by rollers attached to the top or bottom edge, depending on the design. These rollers let the panel move smoothly instead of dragging across the floor. A metal track provides the path. The rollers sit inside the track and reduce friction, so the door can glide with very little force. On many doors, the top track keeps the panel aligned, while the bottom track or guide prevents it from swinging outward. When a person pushes the door, the force transfers from the handle to the rollers. The rollers turn and travel along the track, converting a straight push into smooth horizontal motion. Because the door moves in a fixed line, it saves space compared with a hinged door that must swing open. Modern sliding doors often use ball bearings inside the rollers. These small spheres reduce resistance and make movement quieter. Some systems also include soft close dampers, which slow the door near the end of its travel so it does not slam shut. The panels must also overlap correctly when closed. Weather stripping and seals help block air, dust, and water. In glass sliding doors, the frame holds the glass securely while still allowing the panel to move with stability. Security depends on locks that catch the moving panel and prevent it from being lifted out of the track. In stronger models, anti-lift blocks, reinforced frames, and interlocking edges make the door harder to force open. A sliding door works through a simple idea: reduce friction, guide the motion, and control the end position. By combining tracks, rollers, and locks, it turns a heavy panel into an easy, space-saving system that can open and close with one smooth motion.